we're gonna take a look at the Sidekick medical kit and give you a quick rundown of what's inside. Okay, so we're gonna take a little closer look at the Sidekick medical kit here. This is a compact medical kit with some of the basics you may need to have with you at any time. We put this in a real small form factor so you could throw it in a backpack, briefcase, keep it in your car. Fits great in a glove box or console of a car and gives you some of the basics. So this is a Maxpedition lifetime warranty MRZ pouch. It has YKK zippers, it has laser cut MOLLE attachments on the back to throw it on a backpack. It's got a little carry handle here. You can clip a carabiner or two to suspend it somewhere. We've got a couple pockets in the front here, so you can stick a pin light, you could stick a flashlight, pins, that kind of thing in the front. But let's go ahead and open this up and we'll show you what's inside. Okay, so once we get this opened up, we've got some roller gauze and some 4x4s over on this side, and then we've got our gloves and then another kit that has most of our smaller bandaging in it. So let's go ahead and take a look at here. We have 3 roller gauze on this side, and we'll open this up, and we have several 4x4s that live back under here. We've got gloves on this side, and then we have a pouch that has all our bandages, meds, and everything in it. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So all this slides out. There's a lot of stuff packed in this little pouch here. First thing I'll talk about is this card. So we put a card in there. It's got a QR code on it. You can scan that QR code. That'll take us straight to the website so that you can place an order for any restock. So if you use some of these supplies, you need to order some restock kits, that is in there. So you'll always have that with you there. So we've got that. We've got some alcohol prep pads and bee sting relief. We have an assortment of Band-Aids here. So we've got a bunch of Band-Aids, then we've got 2 large Band-Aids. We've got some SteriStrips, so a couple packages of those. We've got Antibiotic Ointment there, and then we've got a couple of your main medications. So we've got an Nitrile, we have a Advil or Ibuprofen here, got a couple of those, and we've got your Tylenol for pain relief and fever reducer there. So we have that in the pouch. So as you can see, we have a lot of stuff packed in this little kit. It's a great kit at the price point. It's great to be able to keep in your backpack, in your vehicle, and just have some of these basics with you at any time. So check out our YouTube channel. We're gonna post a lot more videos there showing you exactly how to use a lot of the medical supplies that we sell, so you can find out more information there.